To me, what really makes steaks so, insatiable and crave-worthy and delicious is that nice, hard sear, that crusty exterior. So what you want to do to ensure that, and also allow the seasoning to adhere, is you want to take paper towels and just blot all that residual moisture off of the filet. So you're the chef today.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just observe. I'm gonna be back here, let you do your thing, and just
Okay.
pat it dry on all sides. Top,
sides.
bottom, left, all over. That is really, really great. Good job. Okay,
Thank you.
so that's step one. All right, now salt and pepper is great when it comes. You can't go wrong with that. Whenever you're using salt and pepper, you want to use coarse ground.
Okay.
So we have here some kosher salt, and you have a little bit of coarse ground black pepper. It does two things.
Okay.
It gives a visual cue. When you put it on there, those big flecks on there, you can see them. That's first. Second is it also gives texture. And again, we want to have that nice, crusty sear on the outside, and that's going to help with that. Don't use iodized salt. Don't use pre-ground pepper. Fresh is always best.
Okay.
And even if you are using pre-ground pepper, make sure it's coarse ground.
How much
Fresh
pepper do we want?
pepper, about half of
Okay.
the salt you want to use on
Okay.
there. Yeah. So you want to season from up high, so you're not concentrating pockets and areas
Okay.
of seasoning. Season up high. And steak loves salt,
Okay.
loves seasoning, loves pepper. So
Okay.
don't be shy. A lot of times people under-season, they're timid, but you want to season all over. I call
Okay.
it 360 seasoning. That is one of my pet peeves. I cringe when I go to a restaurant and there's seasoning only on one side.
Okay.
What did the other side of the steak do to you? I want to taste the steak as it's to be intended to be tasted. I want every bite to be the same as
Okay.
the last. So
Should I pat in the salt?
yes, seal it and marry the two.
How did I
So
do?
what do we look see here? We got top, we got left, we got bottom, we got sides. You already patted in. So we wait about 20 minutes. Let them come up to temp, and then we're ready to put them in the pan or the oven.